Hi, I'm Patu from freefincal. Parag Parikh Mutual Fund is about to launch its third fund. This is a tax saver fund, ELSS fund, and its NFO opens on July 4, 2019. And the buzz about the NFO has started among investors, and they want to know if they should invest in this fund. So let's take a look. Before I begin, I just want to make an announcement. So I will be talking about low volatility and momentum stock investing on July 7th, coming Sunday, at the Tamil Nadu Investors Association. So this will be that's the venue. It will be in Gindi. You can pause the image and pause the video and take a look. So the entry is free. You can come. So this I'll be talking about where low volatility and momentum stock investing fits in the market investment strategies, and what are the pros and cons of using it, and it'll be more of a review, and I'll be showing some new slides on risk and reward about both these investments. So be there or be square. So let's get back to this. Oops. So where was I? Yeah. So this is the third mutual fund, and now I want to make this clear to investors. Whenever a mutual fund AMC, mutual fund company wants to start an NFO, there are two reasons though. I mean, it's not two reasons. So the reason they want to do it is they want to, there'll be a sudden spike in the AUM, so it will be a spike in profits as well. When they want to start it, what they would do is they would contact the PR agencies, and the PR agencies would talk to media houses, and they will run featurettes. They will interview the fund manager. They will talk review the fund, and you will see all those articles in the news. And if you are somebody who likes personal finance, those articles will come in your feed. Google will suggest it to you, either in the Discover on mobile or whatever, Chrome content suggestions, whatever. I mean, that doesn't mean that everybody is talking about. Don't assume that everybody is talking about a fund. This is standard procedure to disseminate information about an NFO. And just because a media house is talking about it doesn't mean they think it's important. They're doing it because that's how they operate. Those PR agencies will talk to them and they operate. So, don't get carried away by every NFO news you see. Just imagine if you invest in every NFO that comes your way, you will have more funds than mutual fund units in your portfolio. So, don't get carried away by this. Um, I mean, there are two pieces of information what you can see about this fund. This is the flyer. Where is that? I forget. Yeah, that's the flyer. This is the fund flyer, and it clearly says, as per finance ministry rules, this excuse me, I need to keep moving this. This fund should invest 80 up to 80% in equities at all times. It should remain invested in 80% equities at all times, according to finance ministry regulations. SEBI has no role to play in this, and it can invest across market caps. It can invest. It says it can invest in any sector. So basically, it will. I mean, it will have the same fund management team like the Parag Parikh long-term equity fund, and it will have the same investment philosophy. There's no problem there. I mean, in that sense, there's no issue there. But the question to ask is there anything special about it? There's nothing. I don't see nothing special about this ELSS fund. At least when I see the investment strategy that you see here, you can see. Please read the investment strategy. Either read the key information memorandum or the scheme document. Everything is clearly mentioned. Take a few minutes to read it. It's right here, right in front of you. You can pause the screen. I hope you will see the HD version of it. It will turn on after sometime after the video is uploaded. There's nothing from the material printed in the flyer, from the material printed in the scheme document. I don't see anything great or innovating about the fund to suddenly put, okay, I must take all my money and start saving tax from in this fund. I don't see anything compelling. And the only people who can invest in this fund are those who have never saved for ATC in their life before, and this is the first time they are going to start saving for ATC, and this will be the first ever investment, and provided they have the correct amount of asset allocation, 60% equity, 40% fixed income. Typically, that you can do all that with the EPF, PPF, etc. There's no need for a yield assessed fund. But if you for some reason are compelled to invest in ELSS fund, most people who invest in ELSS fund do so for the wrong reasons. If they actually look at the correct asset allocation, they will find out that there's no need for it. But if you have never saved tax, if you have, and this is the first time from this financial year you are going to enter into the tax saving bracket, I mean the need or the taxable bracket rather, either because you started earning from this financial year or because you have moved up in salary from this financial year, then you can consider this fund as part of a proper asset allocation. For all other people who have been saving tax all these years, there is absolutely no need, zero need to invest in this fund. There is no need for one more ELSS fund, or rather one more mutual fund in your already cluttered portfolios. Please don't waste time thinking about this. So what if it is from Parag Parikh fund house? So what if they have their only equity fund is a very good fund. I am invested in that fund. That doesn't mean that when they start another scheme, you should, they've started another scheme, let me put my money into it. That's not how it works. Don't clutter your portfolios. There is nothing great about it, and there's no need for you to invest in any NFO ELSS fund. You can, I would say, give it some time to perform, and starts to performing. I hope that you don't need any ATC investment, separate ATC investment. Your pension fund contribution, your EPF or NPS contribution will be high enough to take care of the 1.5 lakhs ATC. So, either way, I find no reason, no compelling reason to consider this. Please recognize every NFO will be accompanied with such campaigns, promotional campaigns. Why do you think I am making this video? I want to get on the bandwagon too. Except that I'm nobody's nobody's promoting. This fund. Paying me money to promote this fund. That is the only reason. I also want to get on the bandwagon of people who click on every news item like this. So don't get carried away by this. There's nothing special in it. There's absolutely no need for existing tax savers to consider this fund at all. So that's what I wanted to say. If you are in Chennai, July 7th, that's my talk. And as usual, I will be making an expanded version of this and posting this on YouTube for those who are not there. But if you're there, we can meet. So I'll see you later. Bye bye.